Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Whitney Houston filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, look for this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button. Okay, and here search for Whitney Houston. Okay, the second one with 11.2k videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, just go to your For You page and here search for Whitney Houston challenge. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, also you can visit my website. I'll keep the link to the video on the description box below. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. You just have to tap on the screen at the exact time, drum beat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.